This round is also complete. For the next round, I will skip 2 stitch. In the third stitch, I will make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3, and 2 stitch over the 2 double crochet. In the space, I will make 2 double crochet. Total 5 double crochet here, 2 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 double crochet, and skip 2 stitch, make 1 chain, and this side skip first 2 stitch. In the third stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 double crochet, 2 chain. This side 5 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 double crochet, 1 chain, and skip 2 stitch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 double crochet here, 1 chain, and skip 2 stitch, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 2 chain, and this side total 5 double crochet, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 double crochet. By following this pattern, I will complete this round 2.